Take a ride in the 2005 Corvette. The Chevy Corvette is America's best-known nameplate. If you are looking for sharp and fast, the Vette is for you. This vehicle has less than 60,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, xenon headlights, stability control, daytime running lights, remote power door locks, cruise control, trip computer, power windows, tachometer, speed proportional power steering. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.